Pain belongs to human life from its very beginning. But pain is always bad. It hurts. It humiliates. Pain and harm suffered by the members of the Church hurts even more. Some have lived through the pain. Some live among us. Can I help them? Certainly not by being insensitive and forcing my assistance on the other. My humble presence can be more helpful than words or actions. It doesn't matter if I personally don't know anyone who is injured in such a way. I should still pray for the victims of this pain as well as for the perpetrators.